Little bird, oh little bird, please close your eyes. Little bird, oh little bird, just dream of the ever-changing skies. Little bird, oh little bird, don't you worry, it will all be over soon. Little bird, oh little bird, we are heading for the dark side of the moon. But little bird, oh little bird, please don't you start to cry, because little bird, sweet little bird, we will make it by. Forget all your worries and the troubles of the past, for no matter the obstacle, we will last. Through the coming tides and hell at its gate, we will last for eternity and defy our fate. No lord can judge us, no army keep us still, but little bird, oh little bird, all we need is the will to carry on this burden that has been given from these woes that we have chosen. Come now, there is no time to rest when we need to be living, no matter how rugged our clothes. Little bird, oh little bird, a hard life it will seem to be, but little bird, my sweet little bird, it won't be as hard if I have you as you do me.